Hi! If you'd like to switch from a personal account to a business account, please follow these steps. First, click on the icon on the top right corner of your profile. Click on the gear icon. By clicking on this icon, you will be opening the settings list. Once you're on this list, tap on Account. Click on Switch to Professional Account. Click on Business. And that's it. Now you have a business account. Now if you'd like to switch from a business account to a personal account, here's how you do this. Follow the same steps right until opening account. Click on Switch back to personal account. Note, by doing this, you will be losing all the insights and information that you have received while still having your business account, and you will not be able to retrieve any of this information. A lot of people debate whether a personal account is better than a business account on Instagram. In my opinion, I enjoy the business account way more than the personal account because it has this feature called the Insights. Now the Insights tells you exactly how your content is being appreciated by your audience, and it lets you grow from there. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and see you in the next one. Bye!